So the ABCD is: A stand for art, resin and hardener combination. It is a reaction, it is a magic which we are gonna create with two combination. Okay. Then next thing is a B. What is B stand for? It is standing for basic. The B stands for basic, the basic purpose. Okay, the basic, that the basic is nothing but the special tools. What are the tools that you are required? The tools what you are required is pigments, gloves, apron, scale, measurement scale, and a accurate table or a better flooring, just the better flooring where you can sit down and complete your artwork, the sticks for mixing or mixing cups. And if you don't have a mixing cups, don't worry, you can take a syringe. Mixing cups, you can use it just for once or twice. After that it gets softer, वो बहुत ज़्यादा नरम हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद हम उसमें लिक्विड को पोर नहीं कर सकते. इसके लिए आप लोग इंजेक्शंस को ले लो. इंजेक्शंस अगर आप यूज़ करोगे ना, तो वो आप उसको ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो इंजेक्शंस को. syringes and sticks for mixing the resin and a hardener both together, and mass. The temperature is low, as you all know. ये अभी सर्दी का मौसम चल रहा है, इसके लिए टेम्परेचर लो है, which can cause some issues with the resin and a hardener. Okay, the mass is quite compulsory. If the temperature at your home is normal, then don't go for the mass. And then the next thing, we are done with the A, B, and the next thing we are going to do is C. C stands for the colors. Our best part, our best thing of all resin comes with the letter C. Colors. What are the types of colors that you are having? Just record this thing, student. Just record this thing. Have a pen and paper in your hand and write out this thing. Opaque pigments. OPAQUE. Opaque pigments. And you need a mica powder, concentrated inks, alcoholic inks, shimmer pigments, and pearls, beads. What we say? Pearls, beads, opaque pigments, mica powder, concentrated inks, alcoholic inks. These are the colors that you all will be having. So, what is opaque pigments? Do anyone have an idea, students? Okay, opaque pigments is nothing, it is available in a liquid and paste form. Okay, this gives the bold look and it won't let the light pass through the art. That is a opaque color. What do you mean by mica powder then? It is a shimmery kind of a powder. uh, okay, I'll repeat the thing. Okay, the colors, I was telling you the colors. C stands for the colors. Opaque pigments, mica powder, concentrated inks, alcoholic inks, shimmer pigments, pearls. These are the six things. So, opaque colors are a liquid or a paste form of colors that gives the bold look to your creativity. Okay, mica powder, it is a shimmery powder which gives you the translucent effect. It gives the glam look. As we get the glamorous look after our makeup, the same glamorous look you'll get after using the mica powder. Okay, and what we have learned, Okay, dear. Concentrated inks are nothing but it is a form of inks. How we use the inks in a ink pen, it is the same thing. When it comes to the shimmery pigments, the mica powder that gives the shimmery look, it is not a shimmer, but the shimmery pigments are that kind of a colors which are in a shimmery form, which just does not give the shine, but it creates the shine. It is a type of a shine only. As we can say, it is a
Sister, is it a
glitter.
kind of a glitter?
Yeah, it is a kind of a glitter, yes. Okay. Then our next thing, we are done with the A, B, C. Again, here the C also stands for coating and casting. As we learned yesterday, what is coating and casting? Coating is nothing but what we coat on a doors, tables, the cupboards, just only for the good look, and the wooden should not get spoiled. हम कोटिंग इसके लिए करते हैं ताकि हमारा डोर हमारा टेबल कुछ गिरने के बाद कुछ धक्का लगने के बाद भी वो खराब ना हो. And casting, what is casting, students? Sorry. Casting is nothing but what we create, our creativity, our imagination, our imaginary world is casting. Then the last but not the least, D. D stands for don't touch. Patience. Okay. Resin hardener combines together and create something very good, but it creates when we have a patience with us. ये जो रेसिन आर्ट है ना, बहुत पेशेंस का काम है, बहुत ज्यादा. हमें इसके लिए 24 आवर्स के लिए हमें वेट करना है, अगर हमें इसे चेंजिंग मोड में लाना है. और अगर आप इसको एक हार्डर फॉर्म में चाहते हो, तो आपको 48 आवर्स आपको मैक्सिमम वेट करना पड़ेगा. बहुत पेशेंस का काम है. With the lots of patience, you need to manage your thing. Like you don't need to touch the thing. Then you can have a better results. Then we have done with the A, B, C, and D. So our next questions comes like, what are the styles of race in art? Race in art is not only in a one style. They are of different style. They are like gorge art, ocean, river, or tables art, coaster and jewelry art, fluid art, paintings. I will surely share you the PDF for this, all the things what I am telling in today's class, because it is very useful for you all to study well for today. Because from tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala, we are gonna have our practical classes. So after our practical classes, we should not get any disturbance in our practical classes. That's the reason you all need to study good. You all need to go through with the today's PDF what I'm gonna share you after the class on your group. And everyone, please don't forget to mark your attendance, because after the 10 days I need to check all your attendance and I need to take the exam. After all these 10 days, one day with all everyone, we will decide together in the group when everyone will be free. Inshallah ta'ala, we are going to check the date and we are going to plan the exam for one day. You all are going to record the video for me. I'm going to give you all the one topic, everyone. Then you will all will be having the exam. So the types of race and arts, the styles of race and arts are four styles of racing. It's a gorge art. What is gorge art? Using chunky and glittery crisp but crystal like effect. We are gonna use the glitters in that. We are gonna use chunky things in that, but it is not gonna give you the clumsy look. It is going to give you a crystal like effect. Okay. Ocean river tables, sorry. It combines resin with wood and often fine glitter for water effect. As nowadays we can see many tables in the hotels and in the lodges, we are going to find the tables look like it's a watery on up above that, but it's not actually a water, it's a coating. Poster and jewelry that is used in a molds, and that is a layering we are going to create after that. जाओ प्लीज नहीं. Fluid art paintings is nothing but we extract all the patterns from our imaginary world, imaginary mind. Okay, so as I told you yesterday, we are gonna see the raisin kit today. Okay, everyone, wait for a while. I'm gonna show you all. Students, is it visible for you all?
Yes, sister.
Okay, these are the letter molds, alphabets. Even you can find the shapes over here at the end. See, these are some stickers: an evil eye, flowers, roses, never give up, stay strong, good vibes. Many more stickers for the family, for coffee mugs, many stickers you are having over here. And this mold, let me show you first all the molds. See, these are the shapes: heart shape, star shape, triangle, rhombus, mini
Sister,
hearts, and
are these for
oval. Yes, sister?
jewelry?
Yeah. See, here you are having the whole like structure. Can
Yes.
you find this?
Okay.
Yeah. In that you can add keychains, you can add the earring things. This is a next mold. These are for the like mini frames what you all create. Okay. These are even for the earring. These are perfect for earrings. This is perfect for keychains. Here are some sticks. Okay. Here are some measuring cups. See, I have these many of measuring cups. Till here you need to take the resin, above that hardener. And wait for a while, I just wanted to show you all the powders. This is a resin. The resin, this what I am going to use is it in a 3:1 ratio. You all can go with the 3:1 ratio or 2:1 ratio, but for learning purpose it is good if you will be going for 3:1 ratio. Okay. So this is a hardener. If it is in a 150 gram, it is in a 50 gram because it is 3 into 1. If you're using this 3 cups, then this is only just for 1 cup. So that's the reason they have measured it and they are giving you. These are the perfect examples of mica powder. Sorry, because these are in a liquid form, opaque pigments. Mica powder. These are the glitters. It is in a hexagon shape. Even this is a powder. This is also a powder. This is a liquid, opaque pigment. These terms you should learn very clearly, very perfectly. So beautiful colors, so light colors. For practice purpose, very good colors. The foil, the golden and silver foil. The beads, the beads for hangings, for keychains. See, these many glitters I do have. And here are some alphabets from which we can create some of the bracelets for our hands. See, guys, see, students, even this kit, you'll be having the gloves in this kit. I
Yes,
created
ma'am.
this in the starting, in the beginning. See how dirty it is looking like? At my practicing time, I used it. And I wanted to show you something with this. I took a paper in my hand. Okay, this is not so soft as I need that. As how the recent products are soft enough and they are so good enough, it is not like that. I took a paper and I had this keychain. See, it is creating a line onto that. But if I do from the back, no line. So it is so harder that the corners, the edges are so hard enough to cut someone's thing. See, okay, I am just holding this very lightweight with this and just see the paper got torn. So these things you should avoid while doing the things. Okay, students. So you should not get all these problems while you are gonna create everything. That's the reason I shown you all everything as I did the mistakes. So do anyone have doubts? दीदी बाहर बुला लीजिए इनको 2 मिनट के लिए स्टिकर दो स्टिकर अरे हो जी बाहर जो जरा दीदी अरे sisters, do anyone have a doubt? Are you all clear with today's class? You all will be getting the kitchen holders and all. You need to buy that. Earrings holders. Okay. If no doubts, then we shall be end our class for today. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Jazakallah khair for
Walaikum
joining.
salam.